You know, sometimes you got to be careful what Jiffy Lube you go to. All right. It wasn't Jiffy Lube. It's just something that us, independent shops say. Jiffy Lube, generic term. This wasn't a Jiffy Lube. But look, I pulled this pan out. You see all that aluminum shoved up against the seal of the oil drain pan plug? You see that? Way over torqued. I'm assuming they used an impact. Just went, and we even ripped out a couple threads. But I do have a new toy by Orion Motor Tech. They sent it to me a long time ago, but I just haven't had time to film or a situation occur. So, next oil change for Kyle. Can I put you in the video?
Sure.
Right here. Do you want to tell them where you went that fucked up your van?
Oh, it was a quick oil change across from the car wash there in Adrian.
Someplace in Adrian. Damn semis. But anyways, someplace in Adrian, Michigan did this.
I actually think it was called quick.
Should we put him on blast, like, for sure? Get the receipt out? Be like, because he just goes wherever he's at. But anyways, this is effed up. This, maybe it was a rookie. It's his first week on the job, and he'll learn a lesson. But no, do not over torque aluminum, especially these cast aluminum pans they put in the 4.0s. And like Chevy Sonics, that's a big one that I see over torqued. But yeah, so we're going to put a little RTV around that seal. I can still get it to bite a little bit. Hope there's no drips, and then send them packing. Next oil change, we'll be ready to test out that Orion Motor Tech oil drain plug repair kit. It's got everything for all the different sizes in it. I'll finally get to use it. Let's go. Upon further inspection, that plug is not going back in this van. The helicoil, it's an aluminum pan with steel helicoil. It's just ripped out. It's not going to hold, even with all that RTV on the... No. So here's the kit right here. And this is the new plug I'm going to put in it. And I'll just give you a quick breakdown. Matched up the threads for that plug. It is a M13 by 1.5. But the helicoil is ripped out, so we got to go one size up. What's cool is, all right, we got our one size up. It's perfect. You go here. I pulled this spare plug. They give you an extra spare plug. So you can go up to the parts store and refill your supply. And you get crush washers too. So we're going to go ahead and tap out. Right here, see how there's no threads left? We're going to go ahead and just tap it out. I'm going to put 12-point socket on the end of here, use a ratchet, grease on the thread so it catches all the aluminum because we can't use a magnet to collect aluminum that may go inside the engine. A little bit of grease on the threads captures all that aluminum. So we'll tap threads in there, and then we'll grab this oil pan plug that was supplied with the kit. I think we got different lengths. That's why there's different shapes, different sizes, different lengths. Then we'll stuff that in there with a crush washer, be able to fix them up right on the spot.